Good morning. I just wake up. As you can see my face, I say I haven't got myself put together in a long time. So I say my hair look a hot mess. It's been this way for about since I went to St. Thomas the other day. It's like, have you ever been like not in the mood? You're just lounging and you're just there, but then you're feeling sad because your hair look like shit. That's me. It's like, you know you could get yourself together. My voice sounds so deep. You know you could get yourself together, but you ain't feel like doing shit because you ain't know where to go. But it's like, it's time to get my shit put together. So hopefully the next clip I'll look somewhat presentable, in a better mood, and yeah. Alright. The next clip I promise I'm gonna be like bam. Alright. Look who just wake up in the middle of me trying to get ready. See, this is why I just wake up and I gotta do. I got time to get ready, look, I even get to smooth out the gel on my edges, but it's okay. Good morning to Halo. As soon as I move off the bed, she wanna wake up too. Alright, let's try this again. We're ready. Hey. My voice is back to normal. I brushed my teeth. Yep. So just did this look. I did my eyebrows. I did mascara. No, I look presentable. No, I get my shit put together this morning. So let's go check on the kiddos. They're still sleeping, of course, but let's go. All right, guys. I just here chilling. Halo, the boys are up now. They're doing their walk. And Heaven is still here sleeping. I want to be on camera? They don't want to be on camera. So I'll insert the footage what mommy and daddy did to their hair the other day.
Look at the angle.
Keep watching.
Which description is
Alright, so Nikai will be cutting his hair. Well, daddy will be cutting his hair. This is the before. Alright, you ready, Nikai?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
You trust daddy?
Mm-hmm.
If you mess up, it's okay. It can go back. Okay, go for the first cut.
Okay.
Look at my big boy. We did that. He ain't see the finished touch yet. I think it turned out great. No barber shop needed.
Great. Look proud. Smile. Yes.
Show him how we look. Oh. We got lots of cleaning up to do. He gonna be feeling himself any minute now.
Like it? Okay. Stand up right and try to shake off our hair. Chops.
So let me see the back, Nikai. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Yeah. Malachi. Round. Oh, him or round two. This is the second go. Round two. This is the before. Let's see the back now.
The wind!
Alright. You want the same style?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Let's try a thing. You think we good?
Daddy.
Who?
Who you think did Nikai own? Who you think perfect Nikai hairstyle? And this is the after. Turn around. Oh, sure he turn around slowly. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at the patch of hair behind his neck. Daddy did that. I can't take credit for that one. Daddy did that.
What patch of hair?
So this is the finished results for Nikai. I styled it. I just applied. He washed his hair and then I applied the melanin hair care oil and then the buttercream and then I applied jam and then I brushed it. So this is his finished result. So this is the finished result for Malachi. So on top, I did some finger coil. You can also rock it in the Afro state like you saw earlier, but I just wanted to experiment a little bit with his hair. So I did some finger coils and then brush the sides. And that's his finished results. Okay, take your time, okay? Say it out loud. You gotta say them out loud. Go back to the first one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
42, 43, 44. Oh, yes. This is one record for. I don't know.
Which number is missing?
No, that's not 83. Good job. Uh-huh.
Four.
Uh-huh. Which one?
This one.
Yep, that number is 40, okay?
40.
Which group of numbers is in the correct order?
You gotta say it out loud, okay? Take your time. Don't be dramatic.
I got it for you.
Mm-hmm. What is you doing?
Dancing.
But it's time to do your quiz.
No, it's not my quiz. It's my dancing round.
It's not a dancing round, it's a quiz round. Okay?
Quiz. Oh, sorry, Didi. $57.
Good job.
58.
Mm-hmm.
60.
Nope. That's not 60, zero. That's 60. Is that right?
Yeah.
Say those numbers again.
No. 57.
Mm-hmm.
58.
Mm-hmm.
60.
Is that the correct order?
No.
Nope. Read that one.
56.
Mm-hmm.
57. That's not a correct order.
That's not the correct order.
This one was the correct order.
Say the numbers first.
Mommy, I don't know how to say it.
Yes, you do know how to say them. You say the first two.
I can't.
Okay.
Which number is missing?
Okay.
Good job.
74.
Really? Ah. It's okay. You take your time next time, okay?
Which numbers is in the correct order?
She doesn't like to get them wrong. But she knows how to do it. Good job. Keep going, okay? Let's look at this one. You gotta say the numbers out loud, okay? You need help to say the first number? 70.
70. That's a correct order.
You sure? Oh.
Which number
I
is
have
missing?
a mirror.
Yeah. Keep going. Mm-hmm.
This is
That's the correct one, but you know you said those numbers wrong. That's the right one. Not that one, the other one you chose. But you gotta say it right. It's 115, 116, say it with me. 117, 118. I can't hear you.
19.
119. And which one is 119?
This one.
Mm-hmm. You sure?
Yes.
You sure? You can click it and find out. You're not looking?
Nice job.
What did you get?
You received 20 points.
83.
83. Good job. Good job.
It's small.
Mm-hmm.
Which number is 110 and 4 ones?
Oh, good job.
Which number is 110 and 9 ones?
Wow. You're so smart.
Now, name the team number that the picture shows.
Let's see. This is a
Which number
different
does the
one.
picture show?
No, remember, one of those is 10. Okay? Mm-hmm.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Good job.
Which number does the picture show?
10, 11, 12.
Good job.
Which number does the picture show?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18. 18. Oh.
Oh.
Nice job.
But you still, you could have had 100. That's okay. But you still did good. Look what you got. You still got a smiley face. You did good, okay? She got another 83.
I want to do one more. I got 100.
What kind of dance are you saying?
Look at her. Look at her. Hey, look at that. I got it from my room.
She got 100.
I don't want to see it.
Yeah. Hey guys, guess what? You know why I get a smile on her face? I was just on the YouTube studio and I got another subscriber. I don't get so happy when I see 1 and then I get 2 and now I'm up to 14. I know that song might sound like a little bit to some of you, but 14 from where I came from, 0 to now 14. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. All right.